Welcome to SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola, Department of Applied Science online lecture series. Today online lecture on Engineering Physics subject, Unit 1st, Wave Optics, third topic polarization. In previous videos, we have already learned that what is polarization, double diffraction, Huygens theory and Malus law. Today we will discuss about application of polarization. Which application we will learn? LCD. You know very well what is the long form of LCD? Liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display is most widely used device which make the use of polarization. This is very useful or widely used in the polarization. It is used in wristwatch, calculators, clocks, electronic instruments, video games. You know this example in daily life. So, working of LCD. On the screen you can see backlight source, polarizer, glass sheet, negative electrode, liquid crystal, positive electrode, again glass sheet, polarizer and display image. In middle there are liquid crystal is placed. So let's see construction. An LCD consists of a liquid crystal material of 10 micrometer thickness. What is the thickness of LCD? 10 micrometer thickness. It is a double refracting material. Double refracting material is if light is incident on this LCD, then there are refracted two rays. This material is supported between thin glass plate. The inner surface of thin glass are coated with transparent conducting material. There are also user transparent conducting material coating. This conducting material is each in the form of digit or characters as shown in figure. This conducting material form of a digits and characters. Digit means you know numbers and character means letters. The assembly of glass plates with liquid crystals material is sandwiched between two crossed polarizer sheet. Assembly of glass plate is the crystal material sandwiched between two polarizer sheet. You can see on the screen glass plate is sandwiched between the two polarizer plate, first green and green. So let's see working. Incident light, then polarizer, then LCD cell. Incident light is on polarized light is incident on polarizer, then this unpolarized light is converted into polarized light. This polarized light is incident on LCD cells, then some polarized light change their directions, again polarizer and mirror. You can see on the image on mirror. So during fabrication of LCD, the liquid crystal molecules are arranged. This arrangement of molecule is called twisted molecule arrangement, that is 90-degree rotation from plate A to B. Some molecules are change their direction, some are vertical, some are horizontal, only 90-degree. When nature of light is incident on the LCD, the front polarizer convert it into linearly polarized light. The nature of incident line on LCD, they are converted into linear polarized light. Linear means all light rays in same direction. When this polarized light propagates through LCD, this all polarized light transmitted or propagates through liquid crystal display. The optical vector is rotated by 90 degree because of twisted molecule arrangement. The light passes very easily through the rear polarizer whose transmission axis is perpendicular to that of the front polarizer. A light strikes the first filter, it is polarizer. As light passes through the liquid crystal layer, the molecules also change the light plane of vibration to the match with their own angle. So the light reaches the other side of the liquid crystal surface. It vibrates at the same angle as the final layer of molecule. As the final layer of the liquid crystal is matched up with the second polarized glass filter, so the light will pass through. If we apply an electric field to the liquid crystal molecule, then remain untwist, so the plane of vibration of light passes through the liquid crystals are no longer matches with the allowed vibrations of the second polarized glass filter. A reflecting coating at the back of the rear, very well, the display seems illuminated uniformly. When a voltage is applied to the device, the molecules between the electrodes align along the direction of field. When a light passes through this region, optical vector does not undergo rotation. The rear polarizer blocks the light, and therefore a dark digit or character is seen in that region as shown in figure. Figure you know very well. This screen generally seen in the calculators. Positive and negative. Some colors are dark, some colors are bright. These are positive crystals and negative. Positive LCD and negative LCD. Then advantages of LCD. It is thin and compact. What is the advantage? It is also thin and compact. Low power consumption. There is no high power, only low power. They will be work. Less heat is emitted during operation. If we operate them, there are less heat emitted. That's why they are not harmful. Then what is disadvantage? Speed of operation is low. Because of they are thin and compact, operation of speed is low. Lifespan is less. Their lifespan is less. Restricted viewing angles. Some angles, if you are seen in different angles, sometimes you cannot see it properly. So student, I hope you have understood this application of LCD. LCD is liquid crystal display. You can see their working, constructions, advantages, disadvantages. Thank you.